Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to prepare and how to create a basic website with the help of CSS. It's a pretty easiest option I'm giving you. Like you need not to worry and you need not to think more and more about web world. It's a very simple technique how it is going to be created your own website. Just go to Google and open Google. Very simplified, I'm telling you. This is the project which I have defined for you. Open the Google and just press CSS template free download. That's it. Once you go here, like our CSS free templates, n number of templates are available in the web. You can go to open any window, templated.co, and choose the free to practice. Many number of templates are available. I'm showing you a simple example over here and the templated CSS. See here, yes, the first one, this one only I'm using for the demo. This one only I'm using for the demo. I promise you, I'll show you how it is. And this is the industrious. If I click demo, see download it is coming, and you can click here to free to download. See how it is coming, the layout, everything. I'll show you this the same thing. And if you want to source which demo, like which template you choose for your business and your profile, you can choose any one of the demo. These things, any one which you suits and which you are mind and planning for that. All you have to, if you are interested to presenting your pictures like this, you simply take this and applying all our lectures how it is going to be and more making more beautification. You can take to remove these pictures and take your own pictures. That's all over for to how to control your template. I'll teach you the thing in this project. Now going to download this. Once it is downloaded, you take to your desktop. Minimize the things. This is templated in industries. All right. Go to Sublime editor. Now this is the Sublime editor. Go to the projects. Now add folder to project. You just click the add folder to project. Now go to the desktop. Under here, templated industries, select folder. Now see here, it is coming another project called template industries. This is the index.html. If I open, see industries templated and all the information, the free to license where it is coming. And this is the skeleton. Am I prepared? No, not at all. It will comes. Everything will comes along with this. You need not to worry about these things. You will come get it all the ready-made functionalities of with this content and everything. And all what you need to do is to do some corrections wherever you require with your custom data. And if you want to make like a commenting of the text in HTML, how you have commented the text, same thing will apply here. You comment the lines those who are not required. Or else, if you don't want permanently it's not required, you just remove from here and you'll have your custom page. That's it. Wherever you want to put yourself and you can put all the things which is available. Just go to the right click here, open in browser. It will be opens like this. Like I will show you how it will opens. Yeah, open in browser. Yes, it is opening here. I'm taking this link to our Google Chrome page. Let's see here, open the page and paste the URL. You will get industry. Now, wow, it is a very simply my project is created with a simple by hands-on clicks itself. How pretty it is. If you want to make the change of industrials, I'll show you how it is. Like see the logo header part. This is the header part. The logo class it is defined and HTML index.html it is showing that industrious and changing to Harisystems.com. Save it and reload the page. This is the local you observe that. Okay, and reload. Now see here, pretty easy how it is changed. Don't you do such type of simple activities to do making wonders? Yes, you can do it. The A's, you can do it. Now let's see, this is the menu items you are going to making and grouping the text and the links by making the items to here. Let's see the effects which all are coming from like a CSS itself. And now see the boxes are created. Yes, this box only. You can customize this box and present your data over here. And it is the background is applied overally and the boxes and once it is the contributions. This background also you can make it as a customized. You are applying the image and see the lines it is coming from CSS. The text it is displaying. Small pictures. The bottom we can call it as in a footer. This is how we can beautify our own HTML forms and pages. You need not to make it as in a creating from like a base form. You to understand how what it is, what are the basic things it is required. Once it is you having a great idea and have an understanding about the template and all, you just simply go to the free templates are there and the most commercial and licensed templates where you can buy it and ready-madely you can make it as a custom yourself which you suits fully of your web pages and websites. This is how about your demonstration about the HTML CSS project. I hope you are enjoying with this session. You try to download more and more templates, practice very well, which you have covered so far the lectures. You will have a great idea how it would be. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.